Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Debbie, and today I am going to just show you a look on eyes only. As you can see, I have my face already completely done and no eyeshadow. So I've had my makeup on since earlier because I was out, but I did go to CVS and I came across this palette right here. This is from Rimmel, and they are just so beautiful. Look at these right here. They are pretty much like fall, but right here, and then right here they give you like a couple of pops of color. Let me open this up for you guys. So this palette right here, it is absolutely gorgeous. I love these shades right here. They are completely like fall vibes, and then they give you these shades right here, which are like your bright shades. And I mean, you can create so many looks with these. I really love it. I've had another palette from them and I thought the palette was really good quality. It was absolutely one of the best palettes I've ever tried, and really inexpensive for drugstore makeup. So if you are looking for something very inexpensive, I would definitely check out Rimmel because they have a lot of palettes and they have gotten a lot better, I believe, as years gone by. So yeah. If you guys want to see what kind of look I come up with, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so as you can see, my face is completely done. All that is missing is the eyes, and I am going to start off with, let's see which shade. I'm going to go in with this shade, this mustardy shade right here. I think it's really pretty. Let me see what brush I'm going to use, where my brush is. I just cleaned all my brushes and I have to look for a brush. Alright, so I'm going to go in with this one. This is a tapered blending brush, and I'm just going to go in with the brush, tap off any extra product, and apply that onto the crease. So far, not bad. I really like it. I see that you have to build up a little bit, but it's nice. No fallout. I'm gonna go in and add a little bit of this coral shade right on top of that shade. So I'm gonna go in with the same brush and add a little bit right over that, but I'm also applying it on the outer V and dragging it in to the socket. I'm gonna go in with this green right here, and I'm going to apply that on the outer V, tap off any extra product, and apply that on the outer V and on top of that coral shade. The shade blends out really nicely and it's buildable, which is really nice for a dark shade because you don't want a hell of a lot of like shadow on the lid and then having to like blend that out all at once. So I really appreciate the fact that you can just, you know, apply as much as you want and then, you know, to your liking. Ooh, I like this. And I really like this brush. This is the M321 from Morphe. Really good brush. I'm going to go in with this Morphe M433, and I'm going to go in with a little bit more of that mustardy shade that we used the first time and apply that right over top like that. And just blend out that shade and apply just a little more. I love this mustardy shade. with this green shade. It just looks so nice. Sorry guys, I have the windows open, so if you hear all that noise in the background, that's why. Okay, so I'm going to stick to the greens today. I'm going to go in with this shimmery green right here, and I'm going to apply that right next to the darker green. That's actually a matte green, so I'm going to apply this right next to it, just like that. I'm going to go in with this lighter green right here and apply that onto the inner corner. Just like that. So it's like different shades of green. So it gets from a lighter shimmer to a darker shimmer to like a really dark matte. Really pretty. Ooh, I like that. It looks so good. Ooh. I'm gonna go in with this really light. It's like a lime. It has a hint of yellow, but it's green. It's like green yellow, yellow green. And I'm going to grab that shade and apply that on the inner corner right there. Ooh, that looks so pretty. Instead of like applying like a gold shade, I'm applying this yellowy green shade. Ooh, really like it. I'm also going to apply some on the brow bone. I'm going to go back in with that blending brush and just blend those two shades out just so it looks really nice and soft. And you don't see where one starts and one ends. You know what I mean? Just like that. I'm actually going to go in with the brush that came in the palette. I like this brush right here. I'm going to use that to apply on the lower lash line. So I'm going to grab the matte green, which is this one right here, and I'm just going to apply that on the lower lash line. I'm also going to apply a little bit of that mustardy yellow on top of that shade. To finish off this eye look, I'm going to apply some lashes, so I will be right back. I'm going to do that off camera. Alright guys, so I'm back. I applied some lashes and I applied my usual lashes. They are the Demi Wispy lashes. I really love those. I applied some mascara. I also went in with this gel liner from Maybelline. This is in the shade Glossy Emerald, and it's a really nice green shade. It kind of matches like the dark matte green, but this is more on the emerald side, but it does come out pretty matte green. It is a really nice gel liner, so if you guys are looking for a new waterproof eyeliner, they have so many different shades, and I just really like that one, and I've had that one. That's not new for me, but I figured with this look that I had created, it would look really, really good, and it does. So yeah, I love this palette. It honestly, I'm not surprised. Really good shadows, the blendability, the application of it, there is no not a lot of fallout, which is amazing. And I mean, it's a really good palette. I like the shades. It's very fall, and I'm hoping to create another look using these other shades right here, because I mean, I only use these right here. these were just like calling my name. I really, really love these right here. So if you are looking for a new palette that is affordable, go to the drugstore, pick this up. I swear to you, this will definitely be one of your favorite palettes. Actually, looking at it, it kind of reminds me of the, what is it, the Subculture palette just a little bit, if you think about it, like if you really look at it, I mean. So it doesn't have all of the shades, but it kind of has, you know, the mustard green, the matte green, this yellow green, and this kind of green shade right there, and the coral. I feel like they kind of tried a little bit to match that palette right there. Ooh, almost fell. So yeah, that's what I think. But I mean, overall, I'd rather pay, what, 10 bucks? And if you have like a CVS coupon, you're paying less. So I definitely would purchase this one rather than this one, especially because of the reviews and everything. But even so, I still use this palette. I like it. But yeah. So that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and if you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't yet, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!